Hi, I'm Ty with WTI, and I am wearing my 8-inch spring twist crochet hair. My favorite thing about this crochet hair is the convenience. I love that I'm able to do my own hair just within a matter of hours without having to travel to a salon and sit there all day. So I love the ease of being able to use this hair. I love that this hair does not have a smell and it is very lightweight. So even when I do water activities, it's not weighing down my hair. I love that this hair is easy to maneuver. So I can wear it for about 2 weeks to 4 weeks and my hair will still be kept neatly and will lack frizz because of how nice this hair is. So I love wearing this hair. It is very comfortable to wear throughout the day, and I highly recommend it if you are looking for a quick and convenient way to style your hair, and that's my point of view.